Hello everyone, welcome back. So first topic in regular expression using the test method. Regular expressions are used in programming languages to match parts of a strings. You create patterns to help you do that matching. If you want to find the word the in the a string, the dog chased the cat. You could use following regular expression where we use forward slash before and after the. Notice that quote marks are not required within the regular expression. So the double quotes are not required in the case of regular expression. JavaScript has multiple ways to use regexes. One way to test a regex is using the dot test method. The test method takes the regex, applies it to a string which is placed inside the parenthesis and returns true or false if your pattern finds something or not. So in this case, let test str equal to FreeCodeCamp. Then if we create a variable test regex and we search for code using the forward slash before and after the string, then when we do this like this, where first variable name dot then test function, and in test function we pass test str as an argument. It will return true since code is present here. Sorry. So the task for this challenge: apply the regex, my regex on the string, my string, using the test method. So here is a variable my string, my regex, and we have to store the result inside result variable. When we perform test method test by sending my string as parameter. So if we want to see the result, we can see that by console.log result, and this is true. Nonetheless, we can also run the tests so to check, and it's successful. So download my solution, and thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.